Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to export Facebook Messenger messages to PDF. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll and select See More in Account Center. From there, go to Your Information and Permissions, then tap Export Your Information. Next, click Create Export and select your Facebook account. Now click on Export to Device. After that, tap Customize Information and select Messages Only. Now tap Save and choose Start Export. Select your date range and set the format. Once the download is complete, download the file to your device. After that, open the downloaded HTML file in your browser. So that's basically how you can export Facebook Messenger messages to PDF. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.